Hey guys, so as you can tell, it is me, Kaitelyn, and I'm back again with yet another video. And if you're watching this right now, that means I successfully uploaded a video. Yeah, so just congratulations. So we should just be thankful for that because as y'all all know, I only post like twice a year and I only post when I go on vacation. If you couldn't tell by my shirt, I'm in Costa Rica. We've seen monkeys, crocodiles, macaws, I don't know how to say that. Basically just any jungle animal you can think of, I've probably seen it by now. Been to the volcanoes, waterfalls, beaches. Since I've been adventuring a lot and I've been carrying a bag while I go adventuring, I decided to show you guys what was in that bag just because I feel like, I don't even know, it's not even useful because like I don't have normal stuff like sanitizers, band-aids, like normal stuff like that because my mom carries that, you know? I carry the fun stuff. So that's what's in this bag right here. It is the mini version of like the school bag that I use. It's a Fjall Raven bag. It literally can fit so much stuff in here. But let's start with the side pockets just because those don't really get any love. Like they're just kind of hidden on the side. This side pocket just has tissues because your girl got allergies, and if you go to a rainforest, like put two and two together, I'm gonna be sneezing. That's the next side. This side just houses like all my Polaroids. I don't even want to call these Polaroids because they're from an Instax mini calculator, really? No, what's it called? Instax mini camera, like, you know, the Fuji film ones. But yeah, I have a bunch. And then moving on to the first like pocket. This is the front pocket. It's kind of small, but it does its job. In here I just have, oh shit, I have a white hairband, and then I have some lip gloss. I'm actually wearing this one right now. I'm seriously like confused where this came from because like I only use black hair ties or like scrunchies. So I honestly, I'm sorry, like I'm like kind of shocked. And then I have two more hair ties, black hair ties. These are essential. And then I have my earbuds. And thank you, Apple, for making me have to carry around this all the time. Yeah, an extra extension cord, that's like ridiculous. And another hair tie. And then I have a mint. This is like the green one because I don't like the red ones. And then I have a ring in here. And for the longest time, I wore this ring on my like pinky. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's so small. It's so small because it's a toe ring. Like I just found that out. It's so embarrassing, but like nobody knows that, you know? But it's just a cute ring, but I don't really like wear it anymore just because, I don't know, that fact like messed me up. Moving on to the big main compartment where all the fun happens. So I have two water bottles, and before you start judging me, let me explain. I recycle, okay? So that's the first thing. I recycle, so don't get on me about having plastic water bottles. Like, anyways, I bring Azorca bottles from Texas, and I put like a whole pack in my suitcase, like not my carry-on but my check bag. If you guys drink water, you know that water has a taste, and I like the taste of this one the best. And then this one is Everest, and it's club soda. It's just sparkling water, and I'm gonna just admit it, I'm kind of bougie, so I just carry both of them. And then I have a vino because I'm black and I get ashy shit. I have this charger cord. It's just like the normal like iPhone cord, except I don't have the brick on it because I like to use this as an aux when I travel so I can play the jams for my family in the car. And then I have my Zyrtec because, again, allergies, rainforest, Costa Rica, just think about it. The next thing I have in here is extra gum, and it's extra because I'm extra. Then I have my Instax mini Polaroid. Oh, that's, yeah. The little casing thing for the lens just fell off. That's kind of embarrassing. I've had this thing for like a good like 6 years. And then I have a book. This one is by John Green. It's the Turtles All the Way Down book. It's pretty good so far. This one is the signed copy, so that adds extra pizzazz. And then I have the most important thing. This is a pack of Cheez-Its. It's the 140 calorie one, like the snack pack, which I honestly don't know what 140 calories is supposed to do for a girl like me, but it's useful. Again, like if you're on a hike or something and you are hungry, you're gonna need this. Like, just bring it. This is also important. This is my portable charger. Again, I got this from Urban Outfitters. Literally, Urban Outfitters supplies everything for my life, and that's kind of embarrassing because it's so basic, but this thing is a lifesaver. Oh, and then the back pocket back here, I have a couple things. In there, I just keep my keys, and no, I didn't drive my Jeep here. Like, what the fuck? So I like to carry around like keychain wallets just because if you're traveling and stuff, you don't want to have to carry around like a huge like 6-card wallet. And this one is by Louis Vuitton, and it was like $200. It's an investment. I treated myself because I work hard. Yeah, and I just keep like my IDs and money in there just in case I get separated from my parents, and I gotta get out of that situation, you know? And then the last thing in my bag is a tampon, because just girly things, you know? That's pretty much it. This bag is empty except for like the, okay, that's so gross. The pretzel that just fell out, and like dirt and dust and sand. But that's pretty much it. If you're wondering where I got my necklace, it's from Waves. I'll link it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and bear with me. I'm gonna try to post more, but yeah, I just want to say that I'm like really thankful for being able to travel and all that good stuff. Like the view I'm looking at right now is so beautiful, and I settled for this background instead with this beautiful unmade bed and suitcases and all this crap in the background. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day and stay rad, stay fab. See you again in my next video, aka see you again in 6 months. Bye.